Hey cuties, it is a Saturday and I ain't got nothing to do, so spend the day with me in New York City, possibly Manhattan. Alright, come along.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I deserve to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
So cuties, this is the look, and we got two pieces from Fashion Nova, and this little piece right there is also from Fashion Nova. And that's it. I got some Puma sneakers on, some white socks, and everyday jewelry. Cute, right? Yeah, cute. Lovely, fabulous. Alright, let's go.
All in my face. I'm tired to tell her don't do it.
So she used to do it them long time there? Or just since?
Ever since coming north.
She don't must think you're her side.
Always. Jenny.
Stanley's not only for water, okay? Walk on the bridge, you know? Over here look like foreigner. There's something to live. Over there something to live. Nice little area. Decent people. But not lie, New York come back green fast. Over here so green, so and Connecticut still grey. We're here, guys. Yeah. Boy, me I tell them I try to be brave, but when them people are going to look on you. So this is where I'll be staying. Hopefully inside nice and clean, like the outside. That is it. Oh, sorry. Five. 502 is this way. Looks scary around here, my love. Scary. 502 right here. Ooh, okay. Alright guys, let me go to one cute little tour of the room before I mess it up. Alright, I think this is a pull-out couch. Always is a pull-out couch. We got TV over there. Pretty simple. Table, side table light. We got fridge. Okay, we got the fridge. Let's see. Raw snow. Empty. People don't give a nothing at all. Hopefully it works. There has to be another light somewhere around here, so. Ooh. Nice. The bathroom is so big. Okay, so that area, this area, and shower, there is no bath. A good thing I never come for relax in a bath. And we have a towel area right here. I think this has, yeah, air dryer, extra this, extra that. But in all, the bathroom look very clean and it's very big. Where is the light for this room now? Light. I like that. There must be another light. Hi. Full body mirror, you know we love that. There has to be another light somewhere, because ain't no way. Let me see if I can find it. Oh. Okay, night light. This area is very cute. Whole heap of space down here, so. Then people must have pay me. But nice, cute and girly. You get some extra pillow, all of that. All right, that is it. That's it for the tour. Over and done. Let's get some of the drink. Give me NYC any day. Too much. All right, let's go. There's a friend standing by your side. Cuties, we're on Canal Street. We're gonna find out what's up, what's the prices. I bet you any money the prices got worse from the last time. Okay. What's the price?
Give me 150.
This right here. So we're going to try out this Jamaican restaurant. Hopefully it has some good food. How am I interested now? Oh, yes, sir. Oh, the music. I forgot like Huh? Oh. The food is looking scrumptious, delicious. It's giving, and it smells so good. I got steamed cabbage, look like it overcooked, but the jerk chicken looks so good, and rice and peas. And me get some jerk sauce. Oh, alright. Yeah. My arm dirty. This is jerk chicken, man camera. Jerk chicken is really good. Order. Right? And the sauce look good too. Definitely, yeah.
Saucy as well.
Spicy. Rice soft. Rice not cooked. Rice not cooked at all. Rice soft bad. But then again, maybe 3 in a day. The cook thing all day. But you want to eat now, figure out what we are doing next. Come on, time we, yeah. Oh my God, these shoes were not made for walking. But cuties, we are in Times Square for the first time. Oh my God. When I tell you, these buildings are so tall. These shoes were not made for walking.
अच्छा सिर्फ 35 मिनट से कबाब
Is this wet?
Why do you want to kill them all?
He wanted to kill everyone.
I know.
We haven't been still there the last time. They're both from LA or like they both.
I need like a membership with a taxi
I cannot. This place, yeah. Bright lights, fancy restaurant. Oh my God. This is so pretty in real life. Yo. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. wow. Yo, this shit pretty a frig. Yeah. Can you guys see the change? Can you see that? That's so cool. Cuties, I ain't lying to y'all. I feel like a tourist out here. It's so nice. It's so pretty. In our real life, it is so pretty. I can't believe it. Finally getting to experience this place.
I don't know, probably for welcome us.
A studio this right here, so.
Yeah, the store them not bad lock it.
Lock way, you mad? People have money for make. They say tourist attraction this. I know, right? I'm not gonna keep. So hotels to stay full right through. That's. Oh yeah? The people them just dress up and say, come we walk at Times Square. We Jamaicans say, come we go Tree. No, Google one little bar or something, one little spot, one little lounge, or maybe we can go by this stuff. Watch me get copyright for this bullshit. Yeah, that was fun. I feel like a kid out here. The battery is 4%, I'm gonna change it. But soon come back. Woo. Y'all see this? Oh my God. We're running for this Ross. I want a dog. Hi. Hi.
What do you want?
I want a hot dog.
Hot dog?
Yes. I want it with everything in the world on it. I want you. And I want you. Make sure it look like the picture in the sir. Make sure it look like the picture. That and that. Understand, yeah? Relish.
Relish?
Yeah. Shit up yourself tonight.
Yours.
I know for sure this will drive Jenny's jerky crazy. See me out here standing on them food, yeah? She's like, in touch it with him, and the food not clean. No, that's not the problem. It's the street food. She will never eat street food.
Skeptic about street food.
My mom's skeptic about every food in this world. If I let me cook it or she cook it, she ain't fucking with that. Yo, that drink that we had in the bar, it can serve 5 hours if you're not a drinker. 5. That couldn't have done. I couldn't drink that off. Ooh, so cold out here. What that do? I don't know. I try to figure out what that. Because that don't look right at all. You said this is the lamb?
Lamb kebab.
That's lamb?
Lamb. This lamb kebab.
This is lamb.
Lamb, yeah?
Okay. I'm gonna try it. I'm definitely gonna try it. Make sure it look like that when it's done brown. No. Oh my God, the bird wet. Oh my God. Ain't no way we can eat this. Look too terrible. Peas.
My dream is for my son to run this place for his family.
Not just bad, it just look bad. Hey. The one thing I know, no, this bun. It didn't even look like nothing. What it look like? Street food, can. Stop it. By the time I leave.
I sent 4 Denver Broncos into this bar last night. He's not including his own bar. Dwayne is family. And today, I gotta find out why. Dwayne, how much money do you have in this business? About 300. Till we close? 3 months. Okay, well, what happens in 3 months? I have no income. I can't pay my bills. I'll have to sell my house. Our dreams of retiring in the Dominican Republic. Be my wife.
Whatever this is, bone pan both side. The lamb, bone.
Hi. Hi. You're Sarah. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And how long have you been married to me? We're going towards 17 years. We've been married for 16 years. That's a long time.
This? This never no calories. Shit, breast. No. Anyway, guys, good night. Make us sleep. Bedtime for me. See y'all in the morning.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Yeah, go in water. You not go in water. I want to go in water, but in there don't look too right. Good morning, cuties. Good morning, newbies. Well, welcome back to the Spend the Day with me. Turning a Spend 2 day with me. But, nevertheless, we're here by the poolside. So I'm going to come take a dip before I check out. And the pool look like Pitney been dabbling and dibbling in there too much. Oh, and I said, look, or a chlorine, maybe a chlorine. The pool look chlorine, the pool look cloudy, bad, cloudy. Let me show you my little outfit, right? I don't let the goodie there. Oof. Just a simply the colorful. But yeah. Pool situation then I work out at all. These people ready for them room. We'll change and figure out how the rest of the day go. first let me pack up. Hold on. So cuties, I'm ready. Check out. This is the look. It's giving beachy. I leave my white loafers I get from Shein. I wanted to wear it with this, but I end up leaving it. This look like it's not focusing. Why? Okay. So y'all remember this outfit? It's from Shein. It's in my last Shein haul. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. All right. And slippers is also from Shein. All I drew them from Shein except for my movie. Other than that, and y'all know my girls, they're not from Shein either. But everything else is from Shein. This cute little thing going on here, Shein. So yeah, that's the look. Ooh, I'm have my beach bag with me. I walk around with from yesterday. From yesterday, my love. I'll wear them shades here. Shades are from Amazon. And Miss Beach bag is also from Shein. Now watch one of the beach I come off of the bag. I not look, but to Omar wrote it out last night. So yeah, that's the look, guys. Let's go. Let's go get some food, man. Food. I'm gonna use a Prada. I use half of that sample already. So good. Smells so nice. And I'm gonna use, why it look like somebody use out them here? I'm gonna use a Tiffany and Co Love, whatever the hell that is. Oh, good. Oh my. I may not have the big one in this, but this smells good. But I do got the Prada. That is my go-to anytime. Alright, it's time to go. I'm hungry. Them food the last night. Them never bad. It was just the bread, the too soft on the hot dog, and then the look of it. But me eat the sachets and throw everything else. And the next meat when you lamb, that me never want that feet because that doesn't look like meat from the get-go. That never look like meat, but it never tastes bad. But me just never eat it because it don't look like meat. It look like something them grind up and just call it lamb. No, that's not for me. But anyway, let's go. Hi. Hello. Huh? Okay. Blow me away, just blow me away. I don't know how you extra so. What's she talking to? Listen, one thing, the food in there no fit, and it was good. It was oh, a cute little Mediterranean spot. I've never had Mediterranean before. It was good. It's To me, it's like Chinese. Probably shouldn't say that on the internet. People take everything serious out here. But if I'm being honest, it's like Chinese food, right? But it was good. Alright, see y'all in a minute. Oh, okay. This is scan to listen, so let's scan and hear what it gotta say. Oh wow, the sun is nice. It's coming out. But this thing is not playing. Seeing if we can hear something, but we're not hearing nothing.
New York-based landscape architecture firm MNLA. In 2013, in the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy, Barry Diller partnered with Hudson River Park Trust to repair and restore the historic Pier 54 by creating an entirely new public space for the city. Rising up today between the piles of Piers 54 and 56 is Little Island, a collaboration between MNLA and the UK-based design and architecture firm Heatherwick Studio. Designed to dazzle and delight, this new park and performance venue took 4 years to plan and 3 years to build.
Wow.
And a surprise no matter what time of day or season. My original idea for the landscape, the inspirational concept, was of a leaf with lifted corners floating on the water. This shape gave me an opportunity to experiment with texture, colors, light, and shadow. Looking out at the island from the esplanade, you can see this leaf atop the concrete piles and what we call the tulip pot modules designed by Thomas Heatherwick. Thomas Heatherwick wanted the park to look like it had been there a while. And to make that happen, we planted a number of large trees. There are 114 trees in total on the island. 19 of these are what he termed hero trees. There a while. The trees were all planted in 2020, between mid-March and mid-October. Along with the trees are plantings such as grasses and vines that cascade through the pickets over the perimeter edges. If you were facing the island, the bridge on the right is the North Bridge. This is the narrower and longer approach at 220 feet, and it has a sharp left turn. The South Bridge is 35 feet shorter, but wider, and is a straight shot through the park. This bridge is the emergency vehicle.
I cannot do it.
The height of our new concrete arch is essentially dictated by the clearance of a fire truck.
I don't think I can make it, cuties. I don't think
Federal highway clearance standards. So we have two distinct crossings to reach the island. The northern journey takes you out towards the river. It allows you to appreciate the prior history of Pier 56 and gives you a nice clean view of the water. In the scenery here, we're at the bottom of a bowl, confronted by 3 hills. This topography creates a
7,000.
This is crazy. This is so fun. So cool. All right. I can't get up. Yeah. This needs to calm down before me go. That's all. Nata.
Calm down.
Well, the camera good. Alright, we gotta put that down and take a picture. We can't put it down there. Oof. This time I'm gonna. There's a big ass pigeon right there. Some foot them dirty. Be dirt.
Be careful what you say.
Thank you.
Hello, what's my boy? Almost no purpose besides creating jobs. It was teased by the newspaper that Nick
Why?
The Jamaican building at One World Trade will be building with the rounded green top and with the square green top on the left-hand side of the room are adjacent to the landscape of New Jersey. Although Liberty Island, Ellis Island, and Staten Island are run and owned by New York City, their next two Newton floated people into the United States of America from 1892 until 1954. Straight ahead of us, we can see Ellis Island here.
Oh damn. You see I'm cock off the camera over here, so? Dropping at that today, no man. Jesus Christ, God, my hold you tight. Yes. Damn. Sir, you don't see sunset right behind her. I can't see nothing. Ooh! Oh my God, the man is trying to get the people to go up on the next side of the boat. The man said puppies giving away over here. Okay, statue. Bye, statue. Bye, Lady Liberty. That was so amazing, guys. Cuties, word cannot explain the feeling that I just had. That's that. Oh my God, beautiful. Simply beautiful. I feel like I'm in a movie. Hey. Not my phone, no, hey, I'll soon or later.
As a black group crushed his son, Washington Roebling became the new chief engineer for 3 years until he would contract decompression sickness in 1890.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where sun go down, others heal.